your masculine energy, it's down bad, bro. And what I'm talking about here is your male juice, that good juice. I'm talking about testosterone. See, this is a vital male hormone that is responsible for the development and the maintenance of physical male attributes. And that's where your masculine energy derives from. So if your testosterone is down, your masculine energy is going to be down as well. Let's hop into this. 1, you're not going outside enough. You need to understand your body needs vitamin D to produce testosterone at an optimum level. And over 90% of Americans are deficient on vitamin D. Most people, because they're working from home or taking classes from home, they are locked up in their room 24/7. Not to mention that stepping outside and getting some of that natural sunlight, some of that fresh air also boosts motivation and just that natural drive, which also increases that masculine energy. 2, you're having less sex. Look, it seems a little counterintuitive, but yes, boys, those that have more sex actually produce more tests and have more of that masculine energy than those that are having less sex. And here's where it gets crazy. Scientifically, we know that our generation is having less sex than our previous generation and then that previous generation as well, which is crazy to me because we're more connected than ever. Bro, 2 generations ago, they only knew like the 10, 20 people around them. Today, we're connected with millions around us, yet we're having less and less of it. This is why, boys, if you feel like your masculine energy is not at its peak, not at where it should be, yo, get tested. Like literally, there's a company called Let's Get Checked. They're sponsoring today's video that makes getting tested for those vital male hormones easy and simple. So you don't have to go to the doctor, have an awkward conversation, and then have him read just how low your T levels are. Bro, that is something awkward that no guy wants to have to deal with. You can do this all from the comfort of your home, completely private without anybody knowing. And here's the great part. With Let's Get Checked, you can identify which male hormones exactly are underperforming so you can then therefore boost performance. It's not just your testosterone. If you guys are curious, and even if you're peaking, bro, if you feel like a stallion, if you're like, Jose, bro, come on, bro, I'm having sex 2-3 times a day. Yo, I feel you, bro. Like, you can go ahead and still get checked. See if you're above or below or at average. It's always good to know. If you guys click the link down below, you'll see the Let's Get Checked website, and you'll see that they have multiple options. So, yes, you can get like the regular testosterone test if that's all you want. But as you scroll down, you're going to see various options that test you for multiple hormones in your body. I personally did the high-end one because I wanted to test all my vitals. I wanted to see where I was and if there was any improvement needed. Thank God there was no improvement needed. Your boy's working. But here's the thing. This is what you need to know as well. To know, yo, is your masculine energy on point? If you guys want to check it out and see if you're on point, there's going to be a link down below. You could also use my special discount code, which is going to be down below as well. That's going to get 30% off any of the test kits that you want. That way you can test at a discounted price. It won't break the bank, and it'll also give you peace of mind. You're going to know where you're at and what you got to do to improve. If you guys want to check out our sponsor, Let's Get Checked, it'll be linked down below. Number 3, you're just sleeping too much, bro. Look, if all you want to do is sleep and stay in bed and you always feel tired and fatigued, see, this could actually be a sign that you're probably dealing with some sort of mental health issues. And it's not so much laziness, but more so you're probably feeling burnt out. But here's the problem. When you're dealing with these type of issues that maybe you're a little depressed or you're a little bit sad, there's a hormone in your body called cortisol that starts increasing, which, by the way, Let's Get Checked can test for that if you guys get the higher end option. Well, cortisol has an adverse effect with testosterone, meaning that as cortisol increases in your body, the more stressed and depressed you feel, the less and less your body produces testosterone, and that masculine energy just goes down the drain. 4, you're not going out and talking to girls. Look, as a man, your masculine energy is going to drive you to want to talk to more girls. This is just natural. If you're not doing that because you're stuck in your bedroom massaging your Johnson tip to 10 or 20 different tabs that you have open on Pornhub, bro, you are destroying your masculine energy, and the only item that's seeing it is your left or right hand. You got to understand, every time you're jerking off to these 10 to 20 different women every night, you are destroying that natural motivation to actually want to go out there and make a real connection with the real person. And finally, number 5, you are not working out. You got to understand, there is a beast inside of you. Your true potential, it's in there, but you'll never know the extent of it if you never train, if you never bring it out. You gotta understand that every time you train, every time you beat up your body, you are telling your body it needs to produce more testosterone to build and repair that broken tissue. Therefore, you can meet up that challenge the next time you train. Every time you train, you unleash that potential you have. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Let's Get Checked. They're going to be linked down below as well. That's it for your boy. See you next time.